Okay. Okay. Okay.
Look how well this eggplant is doing. Oh man, in this container. It is really doing great. But this is what I came for. This actually looks... I thought this was a cucumber. This actually looks like a okra. This is not giving cucumber vibes. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put my squash out. This one, not this one. I'm letting this one get a little bit bigger. I'm gonna put this squash out in the garden as well. Let's gather our seeds and go next door to the garden. I think I'm gonna put some more pinto beans out too, because I did not know my neighbor was into pinto beans. And we have a few out, but not many. These are going directly in the ground. I'm gonna sow them in between here. I'm gonna make room for that. I'm gonna till that or hold that right now. I'm going down with this one first. Nice roots down in there, deep. Toss the good soil in there with it. Put some of that Georgia red clay back on top of it. And as tall as you saw that plant seedling was, I buried it all the way down in there. And now we're gonna go in with our seeds. But this is what it looked like after I tilled it up with my hoe. Hole for my squash. And there we go with my seedling. And I should have put some of my food in there. I don't know what I was thinking, but we'll come back and fertilize it later. Okay, seedling down.